Hello everyone, week 4 coming up. This week we're all focusing on multiplication, and in my first video I've got 2 videos this week, one that we're going to watch in class and then one that we are going to watch for homework. And what we are learning to do today is we are learning how to multiply using the right to left regrouping strategy, and at the end of this lesson hopefully you'll be able to use the right to left regrouping strategy to find the answer for 2-digit multiplication. So that's our goal. As I said last time with division, it's vitally important that you have a good understanding of number fact knowledge. This is why I always talk about it in class. This is why I'm getting students to just focus on multiplication for homework, because without that base knowledge, it becomes awfully difficult. Alright, so let's first of all have a look at this problem we've got. So you've got 33 multiplied by 34. Now, the right to left regrouping strategy requires that all our numbers are in a line. So I've got my 33. Obviously a little bit difficult with the pen on the computer to draw this, but multiplication symbol and 34. Even though the pen is a bit dodgy, alright, what I've been able to achieve is I've got my 10s in the 10s place and 1s in the 1s place. And as we all know, when we're doing right to left, whether that's adding, subtracting or multiplying, that's vitally important. Alright, the first thing we're going to be doing here is we're going to be multiplying our 4 1s here. We're going to be multiplying that by the 3 1s and the 3 10s. That's the first thing we're going to do. So let's start. 4 1s multiplied by 3 1s equals 12 1s. Alright, 12 1s can be renamed as 2 1s and 1 10. 4 1s multiplied by 3 10s, alright, is 12 10s, plus an extra 1 is 13 10s, which I can rename as 3 10s and 100. Very important that we cross off our 1, okay, because we don't want to get confused down the track. My next step is I've got to multiply my 3 10s by 3 1s and my 3 10s by 3 10s. But before we even move on to the next line, it's very important that because we're multiplying by 10s here, alright, not 1s, that the number is going to be 10, this second number here is going to be 10 times larger. So we've just got to get into the habit of putting a 0 down onto that second line. Alright, now we're ready to go. 3 10s multiplied by 3 1s is going to equal 9 10s. Alright, I don't need to do any renaming, I can just put down 9 10s. And my last step is 3 10s multiplied by 3 10s equals, once again, 30, well, it's effectively 30 multiplied by 30, which equals 90, which is 90 10s. And another way we say that is 900s. Okay, now I've got that in place. Now it's just a case, I've got my parts all done, I just need to add these together. It's 2, 10, 11, 12, well, my 2, carry my 1, 10 and 11, which means 1,122. Okay, that's our first part done. Let's have a look at one other example to round up this video today. 56 multiplied by 44. As I say, 10s are in a line, 1s are in a line, that's vitally important. Starting off with our 4 1s multiplying it by 6 and 4 1s multiplying it by 5 10s. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24 1s, put down my 4, carry my 2. 4 1s multiplied by 5 10s, equals 20 plus the extra 2 is 22 tens. Rename 22 tens as 2 tens, 2 hundreds. Cross out my 2 because I don't want to get confused. Put a 0 now because our next line we're only multiplying the tens here. 4 multiplied by 6 is 24. Put down my 4. Carry my 2. 4 multiplied by 5, or 40 multiplied by 50, as it would effectively be, is 20. Okay, add the extra 2 is 22 hundreds, which means my number looks like this. Add them together. 4, 6, 4, 2. Our goal was to learn how to multiply using the right to left regrouping strategy. Hopefully, with a few questions, you'll be able to answer them for homework. Remembering that number fact knowledge is crucial. Having your number in the correct place value is crucial. And if you can achieve those sort of things, this strategy can be easy. If you have no knowledge of number facts, it can be quite hard. All the best, and I'll see you for the next video.